This 2018 Forest River Wolfpack 325 PACK 131 and 1/2 bath, 13 feet rear cargo area is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, skylight, auxiliary battery, slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Wolfpack 325 PACK 131 and 1/2 bath, 13 feet rear cargo area is 11,824 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.